folks! Here I am, Екатерина Пряникова. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. On this video I will show all the buttons pressed. You can slow it down via YouTube player. I would give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. On my second channel Machine Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my life.